In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly archive cards in Trello. Archiving is the fastest way to tidy up your boards without deleting important work. Think of it like putting finished or no longer relevant tasks into storage so your lists stay clear and focused. You can bring archived cards back later if you need them, so it's a safe way to keep momentum without losing history. First, let's use the quickest method, the keyboard shortcut. With your board open, hover your mouse over the card you want to remove from the list, and simply press the C key. That's it. The card is immediately archived and disappears from the list, helping you clear clutter in seconds. This is perfect when you're doing a rapid cleanup, especially at the end of a sprint or after wrapping a task. Just make sure your cursor is over the correct card and you're not actively typing in a field. It's fast, reliable, and great for power users. If you prefer a visual click-based action, use the card's quick menu. Hover over the card and look to the right side for the small pencil icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Archive. This gives you a moment to confirm before removing the card from view, and it's handy if you're also adjusting labels, members, or due dates while you're there. It's the same outcome as the shortcut, just with an extra beat of confirmation for peace of mind. Finally, you can archive from inside the card. Open the card to review its details, attachments, and comments. Then look to the right-hand panel. Scroll to the bottom of that panel and click Archive. This is ideal when you want to double-check everything is complete, add a final note, or confirm you've captured key takeaways before you clear it from the list. It keeps your process deliberate while still being just a click away. Use whichever method fits your workflow. Speed with the C key, deliberate clicks with the pencil icon, or a final review inside the card. Remember, archiving cleans your view without permanently deleting work, making your board easier to scan and your priorities easier to spot. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.